An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. A very lovely morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary on behalf of Shivaji House. I welcome you all in today's morning assembly. And the theme of today's morning assembly is value of focus. Focus. Focus means to concentrate on something and pay particular attention to it. Being focused on one thing for a certain period allows us to do a better quality of work. More work gets done quicker and our creative ideas flow easier. Dear friends, there are so many distractions in our life. Let us pray to God to remove all the distractions and help us to focus so that we may be able to get things done better. So join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, pledge is the part of our school morning assembly. It is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request Vartika from class 7th to lead us with the pledge. After pledge, focus can change our life if used correctly. When our focus is aligned with our actions, it produces great results. For thought on focus, I would like to call Abhi from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Abhi. Today's thought is, forget about regret. Just focus. Focus on today, not on the past. Focus on what you can do, not what you didn't do. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Abhi. Focus can truly change everything. As it is said, that energy flows where the attention goes. When we focus something, it expands. It is necessary to understand why focus is so important, so we can use it to our advantage. Here is Riddhima from class 8th. She will explain that why focus is important in our life. Thank you, Riddhima, for such a motivational speech. After speech, National Anthem signifies that despite differences in culture, traditions, religion and languages, India is united under one flag. It reminds us that we stand unitedly and remain one under the Indian Union. Here we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Get ready for National Anthem and give respect to our nation. After National Anthem, by staying focused on our work, we become able to create an unbelievable reality. Let us focus on our work, on our aim. Each day is a new opportunity for something great to happen. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.